Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is a great tool for digging with. This is the Korean hoe, and it's a lot easier to dig with than digging with a trowel. And you can weed with it on its side, and you can dig out deeper weeds with the point of the Korean hoe. Useful tool to have in your wheelbarrow. We're planting today a lovely Arenaria lemon ice. And Arenaria lemon ice has got white to yellow flowers for months, from late spring well into summer. And the idea here is just going to leave it spilling down over the stonework. It comes back year after year, and it's as tough as old boots. We've dug out a decent sized planting hole here for it. We're going to add some Super Thrive planting fertilizer. That's a little bit of Super Thrive planting fertilizer mixed in there. Get it off to a good start. Super Thrive helps to reduce transplant shock and will be slowly released for the plant. Out comes the lemon ice out of his Arenaria lemon ice out of his pot now. And I'm just going to settle it in there. It's got, I'm going to put a little bit of swell compost and soil back in around. So no excuse. It'll be here for years and years to come, and just hide this rough stonework here with great colour, evergreen foliage, and of course flowers in lemon and white for months every year, from late spring well into summer, moving on to autumn. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.